Hey, what's up guys, it's Amir from BSG Tech. In today's short video, I will be explaining how you can add your Face ID or Touch ID or iris scan as unlocking option for Facebook Messenger. The reason for that is obviously your security concerns and privacy. So first of all, I will show you how this works, and I will open Facebook Messenger, and this is asking for the facial scanning. So as soon as the face is scanned, the system will recognize and it will unlock your Messenger. So we can disable this, and I will take you on board and show you how this works. First of all, we will open the app, and then we will go on the top left hand corner section. From here you can see different tabs. You have to look for privacy. Once you are in the privacy section, look for the app lock. Once you are inside app lock, you have to click this button, which will basically ask you to scan your face or fingerprint or iris scanner, whatever is available. In case there are multiple options available, device will ask you to pick and choose your favorite one. When you leave the app, you can set the exit timeout, and as soon as you open the app, it will ask you to scan your face or whatever security features you have selected at the time of enabling this option. If this video has helped you out in any way, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.